morning, students. Your second unit is basic electrical quantities. It covers the topic definition of voltages, current, power, and energy, and instruments used for measuring above quantities, connection of wattmeter, connection of energy meter. First is basic electrical quantities. First quantity is electrical potential. Electrical potential क्या होता है? The capacity of the charge body to do work is called electric potential. Electric potential is equal to work done upon charge, that is equal to V upon I or equal to W upon Q. Q here denotes charge. The SI unit of potential is volt. Voltmeter instrument is used to measure the voltage or electrical potential. Second quantity is electrical current. The flow of electron in an electric circuit is called electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere. An ammeter is used to measure electric current. Third quantity is electrical energy. The total amount of work done in an electrical circuit is called electrical energy. SI unit of electrical energy is kilowatt per hour. An energy meter is used to measure electrical energy. Fourth is electrical power. The rate at which work is being done in an electrical circuit is called electrical power. SI unit of power is watt. A watt meter instrument is used to measure electrical power. Next topic is voltmeter and its connection. A voltmeter is always connected in parallel with supply. Here is supply. This is one terminal. This is second terminal, and voltmeter is connected across the supply. Means one terminal is connected to one terminal of supply, and the second terminal of voltmeter is connected to second terminal of supply. And this supply is connected to load, and voltmeter is connected across the load. An instrument which is used to measure voltage across load in an circuit is called voltmeter. It is always connected in parallel with load. Always connected in parallel. Here it is connected in parallel with load. Next is ammeter. Ammeter and its connection. An ammeter measures current in a circuit. Suppose here is supply, this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. The ammeter will be connected in series with the load. First you connect one, like this is positive terminal, you connect this terminal to ammeter. Then the second terminal of ammeter is connected to the load. Then through load the wire connects to negative terminal. So this ammeter is connected in series. Ammeter is used for measuring the current in a circuit, and it is connected in series with load. Next is connection of wattmeter. Here it is a wattmeter shown in this figure. It has two coils. First is potential coil, and second is this coil is connected in series, and this coil is connected in parallel. This is integrated in inductance, and the parallel coil is connected is denoted like a resistance. This whole is considered as a wattmeter. It has four terminals. These are like L, M, C, V. This is line, एल मीन्स लाइन, जो लाइन से आपका वायर कनेक्ट होगी। दिस इज मेन्स, जो लोड को जाएगी। दिस इज कॉमन, ये टर्मिनल आपका कॉमन होता है, ठीक है जी, पैरेलल का और सीरीज का। एंड दिस इज वोल्टेज, वी स्टैंड्स फॉर वोल्टेज। एज वोल्टेज इज कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस द लोड, दिस टर्मिनल इज कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस द लोड, ठीक है। वाट मीटर इज यूज फॉर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ पावर। they have two coils, the current coil and the pressure coil. ये है current coil, this is the pressure coil. Current coil is which is connected in series and pressure coil which is connected in parallel. The current coil is connected in series and the pressure coil is connected in parallel. Next is connection of an energy meter. This is an energy meter, okay. It has coils. This is a resistance coil, this is inductive coil, this is a single phase supply, this is your neutral, this is a supply, and this side is connected to load. Neutral is common. The energy meter is used for measurement of electrical energy. The induction type kilowatt hour meter has two coils. One is current coil and second is this pressure coil or voltage coil. The current which is flowing both of these two coils will interact, and the resultant of the both will made the coil between the energy meter to revolve. This revolving coil, revolving disc measures the amount of energy used in energy meter. It is the equivalent of the both the coils. दोनों ही coils में से, जो भी current coil में से और जो voltage coil में से energy flow कर रही है, उन दोनों का जो इक्विवेलेंट होगा, रिजल्टेंट होगा, वो डिस्क को मूव करवाएगा। एंड जितना डिस्क मूव होगी, दैट इज योर यूनिट्स यूज्ड बाय अ डेफिनेट लोड।